What's good, Wealth Builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon Puddingwork. And today we're talking about how to invest in vacation rentals, the Arrive review.
Say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's a basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.
Okay, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand. How to invest in vacation rentals, my Arrive review. Right, so everyone has heard of Airbnbs, right? And if you haven't, you must be under a rock. Well, this company is taking Airbnb business model and making it almost autopilot for you to make money just by investing in it. This company's name is Arrive, and it's one of the easiest ways to make sizable income from vacation rentals without actually owning one or running an Airbnb business yourself. Yep, you heard that right. No need to shell out $100,000 to $200,000 or more to buy a property, then post a property or find a property management company that handles Airbnbs, and hopefully you'll pull in enough money to make this become profitable. Nope, none of that when you sign up for Arrive. All right, so basically this is how it works. Browse the Arrive marketplace for available properties that fit your investment criteria. They will help you find the perfect fit, and you decide how many shares you like to own. You can purchase shares in any Arrive property with little as $5,000 to up to $50,000 in total ownership equity of the property. They take care of bookings, cleanings, repairs, utilities, property management. You just sit back and relax. You earn your share of net monthly income and potential property appreciation. Seems easy, right? The only thing is, I don't really like about Arrive is the amount of money it takes to get involved. The average person doesn't just have $5,000 to invest, but other than that, this seems like a great opportunity. I mean, I'm actually on the list for when this becomes available for people to invest because, I make a little bit of money. So there you have it. This is my thoughts on how to invest in vacation rentals, my Arrive review. Make sure you check out all the links in the description. Sign up for the free newsletter, the Wealthbuilderz Business Corner. That link is in the description also. Also, you can donate to the cause by cash apping between $5 to $10. The link is in the description along with every other link. That's so we can keep these videos rolling, okay, guys? Again, thanks for watching. It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon Puddingwork, signing off for how to invest in vacation rentals, the Arrive review. Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.
I'm about my money, yeah, that's a basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.